I will never criticize anyone for serving our country, and I say thank you for that.
But you don't see it as a qualification to become a senator?
No. There's a lot of people in the Senate that didn't serve in the military. In the Senate, we have all kinds of different people, all kinds of different folks that have come from all kinds of different backgrounds, and I think that's part of this sense of entitlement that he gives off, is that almost it's like, I serve my country, therefore let me to the Senate. That's not how it works in Arkansas.
Joe, I know one part of her report that jumped out at both of us is when Senator Pryor suggested a sense of entitlement in the congressman for his military service.
It was unbelievable. First of all, saying that being in the military wasn't a qualification for being a United States senator. I think most Americans would believe in these times of war that we need more military men and women in Congress and not less. But yeah, for him to say a sense of entitlement, a guy that decided to go into the infantry after graduating from Harvard, it's unbelievable. I also